Hey YouTube, I'm hiding back here behind this box.
What's in the box?
I got into shooting YouTube videos to embarrass my kids because that's all they watch. And then I said, hey, this is kind of fun. Let's go buy some equipment. Now, unfortunately, I don't quite have the funds to get good stuff just yet. One day I hope to be Potato Jet or Peter McKinnon or Tech Gear Talk, but we got to start small. So I decided to get some Neewer 660 lights. Normally those go for about $100 each on Amazon. I happened to find a vendor on Amazon who sold them a pair for $130. Link below, it's affiliate, just fairness. So here's the box. Let's see what's in it. We have a pair of the Neewer LED 660s. Now these are the older version. The only difference really being is the back panel. So this is the front of the box and the back. And let's open this guy up. Comes nice box, nice case inside. Everything's wrapped in plastic. I guess that's good or bad, you know, depending on your thoughts on plastic bags. So we'll open this up. And inside, we have our light. Also wrapped in plastic. And below the light, we have our power cord and the little power brick. Now this thing can run on 2 batteries. I will probably never use these remotely. I will always have a power cord, so I will use this. It's got the barn doors, which is nice for you to direct your light and shape it and move it around how you might need. Inside, it's got the diffusion panel built in. However, that can be removed by flipping this little switch right here. Just push it down, and this thing just slides out of the way. Inside, we've got all the LEDs. And we've got the back panel. Now the only difference between this and the newer model is that the newer one has an LED screen, an LCD screen, and it's got knobs that can control the brightness and the temperature color. This one has 2 knobs, one for the white light and one for the yellow light. So you can kind of control your own color mixes. So since I am using AC instead of a battery, I would put the on-off switch onto number 2. So right now nothing's lit up, but if I turn the white knob up, now I'm going to blast the camera out, so I'll kind of point it off in that direction. That's white, just barely on. Here's yellow. Again, just barely on. If we point it at this white background, here's white. No, sorry, yellow. And white. And then both together. And it's very bright. And the way it works is every other LED is a color. In one row of LEDs is white, one is yellow. See, there's the yellows. And then we just turn the white on. One thing I did notice about these is when they are mounted on a stand, like this. Because of the barn door down here, you can't really tilt it down. Let me get this. You can't really tilt it. That's about as far down as it will tilt on a stand while the barn door is open. The farther back you try to tilt it, the higher the barn door goes up, which can be a little bit of a problem. Mounting a softbox on this would, unless you're going to point it at an angle, that's just out of the question. So that's about as far down as it'll go without the barn doors affecting anything. So I got 2 of them, like I said, for 130 bucks. I will put the link down below. Hopefully I can swap out these shop lights with the daylight LED light bulbs in for my next video, which I have a couple coming up. And we can start looking better and less like a noob sitting in his basement, which is what I am, and more like someone who's on his way to being a little bit more pro. Comments, questions, please leave them below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know how I'm doing. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.